dimensions.
Oh, wait, give me a second. Maybe, let me just double check. No, they're all cm, so that's fine. Okay, so let's take a quick look. You said dimensions of the carton is 10 times 10 times 25, right?
Yep.
Okay, and then dimensions of the shelf is, I actually can't read it. Does it say 108? What does it say? 8 cm?
98 cm.
Oh, 98 cm?
Yep, and then 15
Times.
cm, 66 cm.
Okay,
6.
so
It's
then
66 instead of 68.
Oh, thank you. 66. All right. So let's go 10 times 10 times 25. That will give us 2500 cm squared. Let me just double check with cm. That seems like a huge amount. Oh, I mean, yeah. Okay, that works. And then afterwards, the bottom one is 98 times 15 times, oopsies, 98, oopsie, times 0. 98 times 15 times 66, 97020. Did we get the same thing? Over here?
Pardon?
Did we get the same thing?
Yeah.
97. Okay. All right. So I'm going to divide that by 2500. I got another number. What did you get?
I got 94,520.
Oopsie. Sorry. That's the answer. Sorry. Yeah.
Oops,
Yeah.
Yeah, divide that number.
Okay. So divide this again. Divide this one by this one.
Okay.
And then see if you got another number. Sometimes the calculator plays tricks on us, so we gotta double check.
Yeah, I got what you got. I think my calculator is broken.
It might have just been we forgot to press the 0 or restart it, so that it gave you a different number. Okay, so then you have to round it up to, well, actually you can't shove another box in there. So you can just say 38 cartons in total. Okay? Does that make sense though? The whole thought process of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Awesome. So you can go ahead and double check that. Ethan, how come we're still on this page? Did you draw it out like I showed on the thing? Well, first you gotta, do the question. So you can draw it out. Yes, Tiffany?
I have another question.
Yes.
If the rectangular prism, if they gave you the volume, how would you find the height?
How would you find the height if they give you the volume? Very good question. We're going to take a look over here. You are going to go and say we have this, right? We have a rectangular prism. We have W, and we have length, and then we have height. So how would you find the volume of a rectangular prism, first of all?
W times L, and then times height.
Exactly. So, did you ever learn about the magic triangle?
No.
Oh, okay. This is going to help you a lot when you're doing formulas. Essentially, if you look at this one, this magic triangle, you have the answer over here. Let's just say this is 4, 12. And we're going to say this one is going to be 2, and this is going to be 6. So how you would use this magic triangle is you would say, okay, so 2 times 6 equals to 12. 6 times 2 equals to 12. 12 divided by 2 equals to 6. 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. So anytime one of these things are missing, then you can just see where it is in the triangle, and then you can either divide or multiply it to find the missing number. Okay, does that part make sense so far?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, awesome. So same thing over here. We have the volume, and then to find the volume is W times length times height. So if we multiply W times length times height, then we get the volume. If we divide the volume by W times length, then we get the height. If we divide the volume by length times height, it will give you the width. If you divide the volume by width times height, you will get the length. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay, it's going to work for all formulas, okay? So same thing with 2 pi r. If you want to do 2 pi r, we have 2 pi r, 2 pi r. Then this one is going to be the circumference. So it's the same thing over here if you divide anything or if you're missing anything, okay? Right, so I'm going to get you to copy this down. So essentially, if you have this over here, you're going to see the length is going to be volume divided by width times height. Okay? So copy this down. Ethan, where are you? Are you still there? Oh, let me just double check. My bad, I didn't see all these. Yes? Okay, so what are you doing over there? How come we're still on that page? I don't see your screen moving over there. There's no answer appearing over there. There's no work going on over there. So you're doing the wrong stuff. What are